Welcome back to another In the Kitchen video. Today we are going to make another candy. It's easy, it's simple, and one of everyone's favorites. These are chocolate covered peanut butter balls. So let's jump right in. You need some milk chocolate chips or candy melts, some vanilla extract. Sprinkles are always optional. Creamy peanut butter or crunchy. We prefer the creamy. You need powdered sugar, and you also need some butter. In addition to needing those ingredients, you're also going to need some mixing spoons, measuring cups, a bowl, and a giant mixing bowl, also a handheld mixer. Let's get this recipe started. First, you're going to add all of your ingredients except for the chocolate into a giant mixing bowl. So you're going to need a half a stick of butter, softened. That's a little too soft. 2 cups of powdered sugar. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you're going to need 1.5 cups of peanut butter. Next, it's time to mix all of your ingredients together. Here's what your mixture is going to look like. It's like a thick, creamy kind of peanut butter mixture. Now you'll be able to tell when you really get in here and start making your balls. If it's too sticky, you're going to need to add a little bit more powdered sugar and mix it again. Sometimes candy making is all about trial and error versus getting it perfect the first time. This recipe should make about 25 peanut butter balls. Start rolling them into small balls. Now you can make them bigger if you choose. That is completely up to you. They do not have to be perfect balls either. So I'm going to make a mix of small, medium, and larger. And you just continue to roll your mixture into peanut butter balls until your mixture is no more. The next step is to definitely dip them in chocolate. Okay, after I've dipped a few of them, I'm going to add a little bit of sprinkles. Make them look a little bit festive. Well, after you've coated your peanut butter balls, also if you're wondering why some of them are left undone on my tray, is because my husband doesn't actually like chocolate. So he requested him some plain ones, so that's fine. I did do one like a classic Buckeye right here. The best I could anyways. I like the decorative ones. I left some with sprinkles and some with not. You can choose to do whatever you want to there. Make it your own. After you get them coated and everything, you need to put them in the freezer to set up. Put them 5-10 minutes in there, and you want to put them in an airtight container, and there they will keep for over a week. After the freezer, here's the finished product, I guess. They come out really good. They taste delicious. I highly recommend following this recipe and trying them out for yourself. They were so easy to make. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more recipe videos for this holiday season. And I do think these are great for gift giving or taking to a dinner. They are just so cute. Stay tuned for more recipes. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll try it out for yourself. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you always for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for additional In the Kitchen links. And happy holidays!